everyone, today we need wings to fly. Chicken wings that are very yummy because I make it with garlic butter sauce. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. I have 4 chicken wings here, whole one with the rum mat and the middle paw and the tips, all of them. So I chop in half so that it's easy to handle. And then I blend in water, vinegar and salt for 3 minutes. And I remove, I let it dry. They are still raw. You notice I just blend to get rid of animal smells and on the dirt or impurity. So now I will marinate it. Very simple. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper, and we will let it do the same thing on the other side, but total only 1/2 tablespoon of salt and pepper. We don't want too much seasoning here. It will get more sauce, so do it sparingly. Now that's it. You can let it sit for 15-30 minutes, or you do it overnight. Now I get the wings on top of the blade so that they dry out. It's better that way when you fry. It's not flashing because of the water. Now I heat the oil, and when it's hot enough, I drop the wings in, and I let it go for 10 minutes. I need them crispy and cooked. So these are all the ingredients that go into my sauce. Remember I told you this is garlic butter sauce.
Ketchup.
So if you can read fast enough and it's too small in the screen, you can stop the machine and zoom it out to see the bigger words writings. Now I use 2 types of garlic chips and raw garlic. I have about 5 garlic cloves, and this is the tip from me to you. I put in the bag and I beat them down, and then I remove the skin, and then I will chop them small. Now we come back for the chicken wings. They are golden brown and crispy now, so I remove from the oil and let them drain off the oil. You can see they are so crispy and golden. I just like it like this. If I don't want to make anything further, because they are good enough to eat. Now we will make the sauce. I get a teaspoon oil here, and I will stir fry the garlic to make it fragrant. And then after the garlic get blondie, you don't cook too long beyond this point, because they will get bitter if you overcook it. So I smear a little butter, and then now I already mixed all my sauce up. Now I put the sauce in the garlic, and I let it cook until it thickens. If you not watching my videos, my channels, you can come back to see the other video I make fish sauce chicken wings. They are Vietnamese famous chicken wings that the chef of Pop Pop in Oregon, in Portland, Oregon, he went to Vietnam to learn to make that fish sauce chicken wings, and I have that video in the channel. I can put the link in the description box below. The same thing with the recipe. If you can get the recipe is in the on the screen. You can go into the description box to get it. Now you can see my sauce is thickened. I drop in the wings now, and you need dump coat both sides, and that's it. You don't need to cook too long. If you cook too long, the wings will be soggy. It will lose the crispiness. So go in like this, and now I drop in the garlic chips. I also have the video show you how to make this garlic chips as well. Check out the description below for the link. And that's it. We're ready to eat. Now before we eat, I will present on the plate a little pretty. We eat with our eyes first. So here we go. I have some mustard green, Vietnamese oregano, cilantro, fish mint. You can eat this with rice, or you just eat it alone, but very tasty. I assure you, this is a very good recipe. Try to make for yourself. You can make it in advance, leave it in the fridge. You can heat it for a few minutes in the microwave, and then you have the food to eat anytime you like. I want to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. If I know anything, I share with you here. channel. So please subscribe to show your support. Thank you. This garlic chip I make by now is I make it in October. So November, December, January, February, 4 months. It's very crispy still. You are invited to taste with me. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.